right, today we have a 150 millimeter pasta maker deluxe kit. Special thanks to this company for sending this product to me because they wanted me to make an unboxing to show you guys exactly what comes in here. So nothing really around the box at all. So let's just get into the actual unboxing aspect of it. Oh, well, it's clearly a box in a box. So here's what we're actually working with. All right, so there we go. So pasta and ravioli maker deluxe set. Again, special thanks to them for sending this one out to me. Stainless steel construction, dual blades, 2mm to 6.6 millimeter, 9 thickness adjustments, and wooden cleaning brush, which is right there. There's kind of a front picture. The side tells you everything that's included in this. Dough cutter, noodle cutter, ravioli attachment, pasta making machine, table clamp, hand crank, wooden cleaning brush, an instruction manual. And kind of the same there. Spaghetti, lasagna, ravioli. Nothing on the bottom. So let's open this one up, see exactly what we're working with here. Wow, all right, so there's our instruction manual right on top for you. Some nice foam. Oh man, look at that. Never had one of these in person. So let's take out this box. Take out this box. And then we can take out this. And take out this. And that's just padding in it for the box. All right, so inside of this little one here, we have, ooh. So that's like one of the blades we should put the noodles through to make it. All right, very nice. Is this the same thing? So this looks like the other one for making that ravioli. Look at that, it's got the marks and cuts in it and everything. Very cool. I'm afraid I'm gonna catch my finger in here somehow. That's your wooden spoon, that's your table mount and the hand crank. And then this is the actual ravioli machine. So this sits in, and then one of these that goes on. There's where your hand crank goes in. They got it branded there with their logo. Very cool, very unique. Something that I have never ever used before. I don't really know if I'd ever have a need to use it. Like that just looks crazy. All right, so that should do it for this pasta and ravioli makers deluxe set unboxing. That's everything you'd get here.